Students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about the revision of quarter 3 exam. So let's focus and start. Okay, we have here, let's start together. We have here an equation and we have to solve it. Okay, solve 4x plus 1, this example, equal to x plus 5. So we got here the variables on the two sides. Okay, so what should I do here? I should put the like terms together. What are the like terms we got here? X's, the x's, put the x's together. 2x will go to the other side by negative sign. When it comes alone without here any sign, so it's positive, it goes to the other side by negative sign. So 4x minus 2x. And what about the numbers? Put the numbers together as the numbers are like terms. So 1 will go to the side by negative 1. So we have here 4x minus 2x gives me 2x. And we got here 5 minus 1 gives me 4. So divide both by excellent by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So I want the number beside x. So x here equals, bravo, equals here 2. What about here another one? 5x plus 1 equal 4x minus 1. So what should I do here? Put the x's together. 4x will go to the other side by negative sign, and the positive 1 will go to the other side by negative 1 and negative 1. Okay, we got here 5x minus 4x. 5 shirts minus 4 shirts gives me 1 shirt. What about here? I lost here $1, then I lost another dollar here. The total loss, negative 2. So x equals negative 2. Okay, write an equation, then solve. So I'm going to translate this into an equation, then solve it. 4 more than negative 3. Negative 3 times a number is equal to 8 more than negative 4 times the same number. Can you see what did I write here? 4 plus 4 more than 4 plus negative 3 times the number which I don't know, it's a variable. Keep it okay, you can call it x, whatever you want. Negative 3n is equal to, means here the equal sign. 8 more, 8 plus negative 4 times the same number, so I'm not going to change the variable. I wrote x, so I wrote here x, so I will write here x. I write here n, so I'll write here the same n. Okay guys, between them we have invisible here, as you see, invisible multiply. Okay, this is easy, twice, and then you will solve the equation. But let's solve this. Twice a number decreased by 1 equals to the same number, which is n, added to 2. Okay guys, this is easy. Yes, let's solve this one. We have here this n goes to the other side by negative sign, 2n minus n. Negative 1 will go to the other side by positive 1. So we have here 3 to n minus n, just 1 n. N here equal 3. N here equal 3. Okay guys, easy. We have here, let's solve an equation together. 12 plus 3a equals 7a. So I will put the a's together. So 7a minus 3a gives me 12. 7 minus 3 gives me 4a equals 12. Divided 12 or 4? 4, of course, to get rid of the coefficient. So we have here a equal 12, therefore equal 3. I think it's very easy. Okay, I have here solve each equation. 9h minus 3 equal h. Easy also. H will go to the other side, this will go to the other side. 9h minus h equal positive 3, because it's here negative. 8h equal 3. So divided by 8, h equal 3 over 8. Can it be as a fraction? Yes, miss. Okay, I need to solve this before I go. before I turn to another section, we have here 6 plus y, because we have distributive property. 3, I will multiply it by 1 first, then I will multiply it by 3a. 3 times 1, 3, then 3 times 3a, 3 times 3, 9a. Okay, guys, then I have 2a. So I will write it like this. It's easy like this. Equal to a. 9a will go to the other side by negative sign. 6 plus 3, 9. And we have here 2a minus what? Minus 9a. 2a minus 9a gives me 7a. Okay, so we have here 9 equal what? Equal negative 7a. Okay, so I need to get the value of what? A. So divided by negative 7, divided by negative 7. So we have here A equal negative here 9 over by 7. Over 7. Okay, guys, it's easy. Okay, and I can turn it into from here improper, okay, into mixed. Let's do it. 9, okay, 9. I need to do it together. Okay, so I have here 7 in the denominator. Okay, 9 divided 7 gives me the nearest thing is what? Is the whole number is what? Is 1. The remainder 9. Okay, here I said 9 divided 7 gives me what? The nearest thing is 7 divided 7 gives me 1. The remainder 2, I will write it here. The remainder here, the difference between 9 and the 7. Okay, and other guys want to solve it by another method. 9 divided 7 gives me 1. 1 times 7, 7. The remainder is 2. Okay, guys, some people like to solve it like this. Okay, and then they write it as what? Here I write the whole number I got. Okay, the whole number we got here is what? Just a moment. Okay, the whole number negative 1, the whole number negative 1, and the remainder up in the numerator, and the denominator here 7 the same. Okay, let's here have another kind of question. State whether 2y less than 12 is true or false. So we are talking about the inequalities here. So 2y less than 12 or not. What do you think, guys? Okay, we have here until the variable y is replaced by a number, this inequality is open. So what we think here, this is open or what? This is what? This is an open inequality. Why? Because here we have less than without equal to. So this is what? This is open inequality. Yes, this is an open inequality. Translate the sentence. 5 times a number. Okay, this is translation. Very easy. 5 times a number. 5 times a number is greater than or equal. Greater than or equal 75. So this is an inequality. It's here the difference between the inequality and the equation. We have here less than, greater than, or less than or equal, or greater than or equal. So this is our translation for the inequality here. Okay, it's the same as the equation, but we have here what? We have greater than, less than, and so on. State whether each inequality here is true, false, or open. 3 less than 7. Here for this one, 3 less than 7. Okay, of course 3 less than 7. I have here y here less than, sorry, this is 3 greater, I didn't see it. 3 greater than 7, so this is what? This is false, of course false. 3 is what? Less than 7. So the first one is false, and open your eyes here. Y less than or equal 8. Y is less than or equal 8. Yes, it's open because we don't know the value of y. 1 here greater than or listen to me, or equal to 1. Yes, it's equal to 1, so it's true. Consider true. 2n greater than 18. This is open. This is open. 12 greater than 10. This is true. This is greater than 2. Okay, guys, easy one. I think it is. I have here another kind of questions. Solve the inequalities. It's very easy, like the equation b plus 18 here greater than here 53. So how can I solve it? I will get the here number goes to the other side by negative sign. 53 minus 18, as if I'm here solving the equation. B greater than 53 minus 18, which gives me 35. So B greater than 35. What about this one here? N minus 32 less than or equal 6 here. So negative 32 will go to the other side by positive sign. So 6 plus 32 gives me 38, and I have here n less than or equal 38. Here I have another kind of, we have here t, okay, this one, t minus and open bracket minus here 7 less than or equal 21. Negative times negative, guys, gives me positive. This, we have here the bracket multiply. And I have here 21, positive 7 will go to the other side by negative, so 21 minus 7. T here less than or equal what? 14. Okay, so we have here this one. Is it easy, guys? I think it is. What about if I have another kind of يا جماعة سكتوه، مش هينفع اوقف. يا ايمن مش هينفع اوقف، مش هينفع اوقف. ها؟ Okay, so I have here, how can I solve this one? N over 7 less than negative 7. I want to get rid of the denominator. I need to get here n alone. So instead of division, I will do what? The inverse, which is multiply. I will multiply both sides here, this side and this side, by 7. When I multiply here the inverse of here 7 times n over 7, 7 goes with 7. What about when I multiply 7 times 7 here? It's easy. It will give me what? It will give me negative 49. 7 times negative 7. So n less than negative 49. Okay, we have here another one. I have here negative 5m greater than or equal 45. So I need to here divide both sides by the coefficient of m, which is negative this time. When I divide by negative or multiply by negative, remember, my dear students, I will here change the sign into the inverse, okay, and instead of here greater than, it will be less than or equal. So m here equals what? 45 divided 5 gives me here, divide negative 5 gives me negative 9. So I got here m less than or equal negative 9. Okay, we have here some practice and the answers for the same kind of questions. I have here solve here the inequalities, also the same here. Okay, let's do another one here. I have here distributive properties, so I'm going to here multiply 3 times negative 5 gives me negative 15. 3, then 3 times negative 2, 3 times negative 2, negative 6x.